We have just finished a super fun Harry Potter party that I did on a budget. If you have a Harry Potter lover in your life, I'm going to share with you some of the things that I did to keep it really cost effective while still making it super fun and magical. I'm going to leave down in the links below all of the printables that I used and any tutorials that I found online that were really helpful. So if you want to recreate anything you've already seen, the links will be down below. The first thing we did was we started by creating this 9 3/4 platform at our front door for the kids to come through as they entered our house, and this was super fun as well as really cost effective. It is just a $2 plastic tablecloth that we used some paint to make it look like brickworks of the platform, and then the kids could come in through the cut that we did up the middle, and this was super fun and it just set a really good tone for the party, and it was super inexpensive. All of the decor that I used was from free printables online, including these super cute little letters, and then I just created the seal using some red Play-Doh and then hung them all on fishing line. It created a really cool backdrop and it was super simple and super cheap. I also repurposed a little trolley so that we could make a little candy trolley for the kids to use. This was super fun, and then I just put anything from the trolley's dears on this trolley, and then the kids could come and pick whatever lollies they want. I tried to theme the food as Harry Potter-ish as I could, and because my daughter's birthday is in October, that made it super helpful that I could find some of those Halloween themed candies which went right in with the Harry Potter theme. Instead of a big cake this year, I actually made some cupcakes, which were really cool, and then I used some chewy toffees to make a little sorting hat to go on top. This tied in perfectly because inside each of the cupcakes, I had little colored candies in the different colors of the Hogwarts houses, and so not only did the kids get a cupcake to eat and enjoy, but they also got sorted into their different houses. I made these inexpensive wands for the kids to take home instead of a party bag, and I also used these as part of our party games. These are just chopsticks that I used hot glue and paint, and I made them in all sorts of designs, and then it was a fun gift that they could take home. We also made butterbeer as an activity. I just used vanilla cream soda with ice cream and cream, and the kids had a great time assembling these together, and it just broke up our party games. There are so many quick and easy Harry Potter party games that you can find online. I'll leave some of the links of the ones that we used as well as some other great ideas that I found down below. So if you have a Harry Potter lover in your life, I hope that these tips will help you create a fun and magical Harry Potter party on a budget.